Hey everyone, and welcome to Stuff Moms Have Time For. My name is Rebecca, and if you're new here, I would love you to subscribe. Today we are making an Easter pie that is going to be filled with ricotta cheese and pine nuts. The first thing you're going to need is 3 eggs, 2 cups of powdered sugar, a half a cup of short-grained rice. You're going to need the zest of an orange, some butter, some pine nuts, vanilla extract, ricotta cheese, and some sheets of phyllo dough to make the crust of the pie. I will link all of the ingredients and the measurements in the description below. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pre-cook my rice. I am using short grain rice, so I'm just going to follow the directions and wash the rice. Then I'm just going to put it on my stovetop and cook it. I'm also going to toast my pine nuts for several minutes, just until they're soft and a little bit brown. Then I'm going to preheat my oven to 375 and get started on the pie. So I am just going to crack 3 eggs and then whisk it together. And then I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Then I'm going to add the zest of an orange. This is really to taste. I like using a little bit more to give it a little bit more of an orange flavor, but you can use whatever you like. And then I'm going to use 2 cups of ricotta cheese. I'm going to mix all of that together until it's a really smooth consistency. And then I'm going to add my powdered sugar.
It wouldn't be me baking unless I got powdered sugar everywhere.
And a half a cup of rice, as well as 8 ounces of pine nuts. Then I'm going to just mix everything together so it's well incorporated. And then I'm going to get my pan ready. I'm just using this bunny pan I just got for Easter. I think it's just so adorable for the season. I'm going to grease it really well, and then I'm going to take my phyllo sheets and I'm going to fill them about halfway and then overlap them kind of in a clockwise direction. You're going to use the butter to seal the sheets of dough together to make a good crust base. And then once again, you're going to overlap over that last piece and use the butter to seal. You're going to keep doing this all the way around the pan until you have a firm crust base. Then you're going to take your cheese filling and place that directly inside the pan. And then you're going to start folding the phyllo dough sheets back over the filling. Now you can do this kind of any way you want. It's still going to come out pretty once you bake it. I'm just going to fold it in on itself and then use the butter to seal it closed. And just like before, you're going to work your way all the way around. When the whole top is closed, you're just going to apply a thin layer of butter to make it crispy, and it's ready to go in the oven. You're going to bake it for about 35 minutes at 375, and you'll know when the top is crispy and when it's done. Then you're going to want to take it out of the oven and let it cool completely before cutting it. I'm just going to sprinkle some powdered sugar on the top of the pie, and then it's ready to go. This one is one of my family's favorite Easter desserts. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. Let me know if you do or what your Easter dessert traditions are. I hope you guys have a wonderful Easter Sunday over the weekend, and I will see you next time.